maybe it's not that. Maybe sobrang daming patients and nagmamadali sila. They
yeah.
don't have
Mas marami yung patients
time. So mga, let's say,
or that's also going back to our previous topic regarding most Filipinos are not really
they don't have
care
insurance.
about their job.
Oh
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
Oh yeah,
Diba?
the one. Oh
Diba?
yes,
Yes,
yes, the
diba?
integrity.
Yeah, they just
and
care about their
all.
paycheck.
Kaya
Yeah.
yun, nananawagan ako sa Pilipinas. Huwag tayo maging influencer lahat. Sana may magdoktor pa rin.
Meron pa naman.
Yung next generation, ha? Huwag na kayo mag-podcast. Pag-aral,
Oo nga.
mag-aral
Mag-aral
kayo.
muna kayo.
Magdoktor kayo. Parang awa nyo na. We need you guys.
Pero as in, sobrang sakit nun. Yung appendicitis.
So, how
Naisip
much
ko,
yung bill nun?
almost 300.
Oh,
290 something. The plus, may plus pa. So yeah, 300.